channel. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. It is a really cute, warm, neutrals, brown, bronzy, sexy tutorial. I hope you guys like this makeup look. This is a look that I've been doing for the past couple years, but I've always perfected it and changed it. So this is like the newest version of it because I add a lot of shimmer and everything. It's so much fun. I love this look. It's a day to night look. If you guys are new to this channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I do beauty, fashion, and fitness videos. So I hope you guys like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you guys have not already. And everything that I am using today is from the new LORAC Unzipped collection. This is the Brazen palette that I've been using. I love it. So I've been using it for like the past 5 days. I literally just got it last week and I'm obsessed with it. It's literally the perfect warm tone palette. I mixed it up with this Elegance palette as well, and these are available at Ulta starting January 20th, so it's actually available right now. Definitely check it out. Everything is linked below. I also use their highlighters. Look how cute they are. This is my fave, the Gilded Lily that I'm wearing today. Amazing. And these are the glosses that I use. So love this collection. Definitely check it out. So without further ado, let's get started on this warm neutrals sexy tutorial. Alright guys, so we're going to get started on the glam. As always, I'm going to start with the eyes. I have nothing on my face right now. I just have eyeshadow primer on. And I'm going to be using this amazing eyeshadow palette that I've been using. It is the LORAC Unzipped Brazen palette. It's like the perfect warm tone eyeshadow palette. And it does come with a brush. And this is actually available exclusively at Ulta starting January 20th. So it's out. I'm obsessed with this palette. I've literally been using it every single day. There are other ones that I have that I actually am going to mix the colors. Let me show you guys. This is the Unzipped Elegance, and then this is the Unzipped Unfiltered palette. I'll show you guys the colors. I have used the other eyeshadow palettes as well. And there's this one, which is a little bit cooler tone. So these are the palettes. I'm gonna first actually start with the LORAC Unzipped Elegance palette. And with the brush that's included, I'm gonna take the first color right here, which is Untouchable. And I'm gonna put that color as my base and put it all over my lids. And it creates that perfect canvas. Brush is great because it's dual-sided. And next I'm gonna go into the Brazen palette. I'm gonna take this color right here. It is called Ambitious. It's a beautiful, light, warm brown color. And I'm gonna take this brush, it's a buff and blend brush, and create this crease or like a U shape. And I just kind of create like the base of like where I'm gonna build the eyeshadows. Next, I'm going to take the color Unexplored right here, and I'm going to fill in my crease, but just like halfway out. I'm actually going to switch to the mini brush that the palette comes with. My crease halfway, but kind of like an outer V, but literally like creating a outer triangle, but leaving a round shape because that's the shape that I want. I'm gonna do it on this side, and I'm leaving the front part light because I'm gonna place the glitter on there. So just kind of do the outer triangle with this matte brown color. So now I'm gonna fill in this part, and I'm going to take the color right here called Untamed. It's a shimmery brown color, very glittery. You can tell that I've used it a lot and I kind of tapped into it. You don't have to use setting spray or anything. You can just tap into it and you can get a lot. If you want to create more of a wet look, you can get your favorite setting spray, whatever you want, and spray your brush, or you can even get water. And you just kind of tap where I didn't put any eyeshadow on. See, and then you create this like shimmery eye. You guys see it? So now we just have like this really pretty brown golden lid with the smoky brown on the side, and then the warm tone light brown under. So that's my eye. I'm gonna add more, but I'm gonna do my face and I'll be right back. So I just did my face and I added a lash. I did a little tiny bit of liquid liner and black liner in my waterline. And I'm gonna show you guys how I add the lash. I literally just place it on the eye and it just like makes, the eye is already dramatic, but it makes the eye even more dramatic and it really opens up the eye and you can really see the shadow underneath. I love how when lashes have little spaces in them, you could see like the eyeshadow in the back. So I'm loving how it looks. And the most important thing I feel like when I do a smoky look is to smoke out the bottom. So I'm gonna go back into the gorgeous LORAC Brazen palette. I'm gonna take a tiny little brush like this and I'm gonna take the color Ambitious and go into the bottom lash line. And then I'm gonna take the color Unexplored. So whenever I smoke out my eye, I also like to brighten it up by really accentuating my tear ducts. So I'm gonna go into this LORAC Unzipped Elegance palette and take a pretty shimmer color right here. This color is called Iconic and I'm gonna tap it with a tiny brush and I'm gonna go into the tear ducts to really brighten up my smoky eye. And that way, even though we have like this dark smoky eye, with the tear ducts being highlighted and illuminated and shimmery, it really brightens up the eye. So I have my eyes done and my brows, and I also have my face on, but now I'm gonna add some highlights. So my favorites right now are these LORAC Light Source Mega Beam highlighters. I've been using both of them. This one is more of a yellowy gold. It is called Glow for Gold, and this one is called Gilded Lily. This one is probably one of my favorites out of like all the highlighters that I have. It's a beautiful rose gold color and I feel like it really goes really well with my skin and goes in really well. So I'm gonna take this color Gilded Lily. And a little goes a long way. It's very, very, very blingy. Look how pretty that is. You just need a little bit. And I'm just gonna add a little bit on my nose bridge, and Cupid's bow. And I literally put on a tiny bit with this brush. It's like amazing. I could go on all day. It's like a pinky rose gold color. I think it's gorgeous. And let's actually do my lips now. So there are 4 different shades of lippies in the new LORAC Unzipped collection. I actually mixed a lot of them together. So there's 4 of them. The one I'm not gonna use is Bear. It's like a light pink color, super cute. I did use this before, but I'm gonna actually mix these 3, a nude called Buff, glittery topper called Unfazed, and then a pink color which is more of like a coral pink called Exposed. So I'm gonna take this LORAC Unzipped Sheer Silk Lip Gloss in the color Buff. And this creates like the perfect neutral nude lip, but I do want a pinkier vibe. So I'm gonna take this coral pink color called Exposed, shade it in. You don't have to actually shade the whole lip because we do have like that nude shade. So I'm gonna kind of just like shade the color inside of the lip, more so just like in the lip. So we don't have to actually like line the lip, just like inside. And lastly, I always like to add a little bit of glitter. This one is the Sheer Silk Lip Gloss in the color Unfazed. I'm gonna put that on top all over. I love mixing lip glosses because I feel like you can just have fun with the color and create the perfect shade. You see how it just changed from like a nude vibe to a pinkier vibe, and now a little bit of shimmer and sparkle. I think it's so cute. And then when there's like a little bit of sparkle, when the light hits, it just looks so pretty. So this is my makeup look. I'm gonna change really quick and I'll be right back. so that's it for my warm neutrals sexy makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like this look. I'm obsessed with this look. I literally wear it out all the time. I've been rocking this look for literally a week every single day. I love this makeup look and I love how it turned out. I hope you guys liked everything. Everything that I used is linked below, and if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button below. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys. Mwah.